Hello, my loves. Welcome to my channel, Twinkling Stars Astro. This is Shivanshu Singh. If you have already subscribed my channel, welcome back. If you have yet not subscribed, please click the bell button down below and subscribe my channel. This is for my lovely Librans, alright, because last week I got a very good response from my Libra, so I thought to you know take my second reading for my Libras. Alright, this is a general reading. Alright, so might resonate with you, might not resonate with you, so don't get hard pressed that why it's not resonating with you. Alright, it's very much fine. Okay, do leave your comments into the comment section box, your suggestions as well, so that I can improvise with my videos and know that how you people are finding my other videos. Alright, so let's begin Libra for this week. Let's see what do we have for you. Alright, what is the message for my Libras for this week from Tuesday till coming Monday? What is the message for my Libras this week from this Tuesday till coming Monday? Messages for my Libra. Messages for my Libra. Libra, anxiety, nightmares, not getting a good sleep. Okay, you're leaving something or something is leaving you. Emotions. Libra, what is it? So much trouble this week. So much. Alright, Librans. Wow. At the bottom of the deck, I have this Four of Wands. The soulmate energy, the celebration, the famous, the known 1111 card. Something is happening, Libra, for this week too. Something good also and something bad also. Alright, I'll not scare you by saying bad over here, but then I'm finding a little disturbance for you in this coming week. Alright, let's begin with your health. You're worried. Something is wrong with your health. Alright, and you're just losing your conscience, you're losing yourself, thinking all the time, you're overthinking, and you're full of anxiety with this Nine of Swords. You're having nightmares, you're not having a dream. Alright, you're having a dream, a bad dream, again a nightmare, and you're in a lot of anxiety about your health. Your health is not good for this week. Alright, so just take care. And you're in mental stress. What is that which is giving you mental stress, Libra? Find it out. Just find it out, because this mental stress is destroying you. This mental stress is overpowering you, is overwhelming you for this week. Alright, so, and that is the major reason of the disturbance of your health this week, what I'm getting over here. Okay, Libra, coming to video finances, again a tough one, the Eight of Cups. Alright, are you changing your job? I'm finding it, Libra. I'm finding it because with your finances, it's Eight of Cups, and with your workplace, it's Seven of Swords. Either you are changing your job, alright, or you might be cheating somebody, or somebody is cheating you and running off taking your finances. Alright, I don't know, Libra, which situation will, which situation is true, but I'm finding the both way out. Alright, either you are running from something, taking something from the company, or maybe bluffing the company, or maybe cheating the company, something like that, or maybe you're planning. Alright, or maybe somebody is doing that with you. The sneaking out position you are standing into, and you're taking something and running away. Alright, what is that? Because your finances and workplace are not in good position for this week. I'm worried, that how come. And you're emotional also about the same fact. You're very much emotional. that why this happened to me, and why it's happening to me, and you're walking away. You're walking away from the situation, Libra. What is it? Or maybe if you're studying, you're not in any sort of a job, if you're only studying, again then something is bothering you a lot. Something is bothering you a lot. That's what I'm telling you. I'm seeing a lot of anxiety, a lot of mental pressure for you people for this week. Well, let's see. With your relationships, with this Queen of Wands, your relationship is moving onto the passionate grounds, very passionate ground. Queen of Wands is somebody who is, very, who's very beautiful, who's very sexy, and who's very, somebody who's very appealing, So as I can see, your love life is moving onto the good, healthy grounds as of now, alright, and your wife or maybe your girlfriend, is appealing you this week, So love life, your romantic life is, your relationships are going very well, but your workplace and finances are challenging you for this week, alright. So what is the challenge for you is this week is this Ace of Pentacles, and what's crossing the situation is the Eight of Pentacles. Now, this, how come this will happen? That because you're not working hard onto something, you will lose the opportunity which is coming towards to you for this week. It could be anything. For the singles, this pentacle could be the ring of engagement. All right, you may get a proposal. All right, if I talk about the workplace, you may get a new project. All right, you may get a new opportunity, you may get a new job as well, right? But that will only happen if you work hard. That will only happen for you if you work hard, because you're already walking out from a certain situation, right? It could be again two ways. If you stay and work hard and get this, all right, either you walk away, all right, and start working hard again and then get this new one, all right. So it could be in any way out, all right. Just see that how the situation is demanding and how you can do it, so that this opportunity which I'm talking about with this Ace of Pentacles, can come to you, all right. I hope my Librans are able to see the card, the Ace of Pentacles, all right. Now coming towards the final situation, the final outcome, the Sun and the Page of Wands. You will achieve success, Libra, though. In the end, right, you will achieve a success, alright, and then, you will watch it, that, how you did it, alright, but then you have to do it with the maturity. Because Page of Wands here is generally about the immature approaches, alright, but then you have to get mature with your approach. You need to work hard, as I already told you, and then Sun is shining above you, Sun is shining above you. Situations will turn up into your favor, and then you will end up celebrating it. Wow, look at this, the Four of Wands and the Three of Cups at the bottom of the deck, alright, which indicates celebration. So celebration is indeed there, but then for reaching there, you have to work hard, alright, and you have to behave mature, you have to keep that practical approach and that mature approach towards your workplace or maybe your relationships, alright. It could be anything, alright. So let me see what else universe wants to tell you. What is the message for my Librans? What is the message for my Libras this week? This coming week, from Tuesday to coming Monday. From Tuesday to coming Monday. What is the message? Walking away. What is that, Libra? Again and again I'm getting this, into the, in tarot also, in oracle also. Walking away. What are you walking away? Now see, okay. Let me give you the clarity onto that. Either you walking away from some relationship or from some old job or from somebody who's cheating on you, all right? This could be one situation. Or maybe you're walking away towards a new opportunity altogether. Getting a new job, getting into a new relationship, or maybe getting over from a divorce and again getting married. All right, but then something and somebody, or like I'm seeing that most of my Librans are walking away from something. All right, what is that, Libra? What is that? Or if you're not walking, then you need to walk. Because the energies are continuously telling me that you need to walk, or you would be walking rather. Alright, so let me see the final outcome for you. What is the final outcome for my Libras? What is the final outcome for my Libras? What is the final outcome for my Libras? What is the final outcome for my Libra? Alright, Libra. The final outcome from the universe is the Lord Agni, the god of fire. Alright. So the blessings for you is improved digestion. Alright, now I get it. You might, having the issues with your digestion this week. As I told you that, your health would be keeping well. Alright, and you would be resting most of the time. The mental stress would be there and your digestion would be the issue. Alright, though the Agni Dev is giving you his blessing this week, you may improve up. By the end of the week, you will be fine. Alright, true knowledge and worldly riches, acquisition of inner powers through yoga, freedom from the bashing desires and habits. You can help yourself with yoga also this week. Whatever anxiety you're going through and whatever turbulent time you're going through in your workplace and even in your relationship, if any. All right. So the final prayer for you, Libra. O fire, O self-effulgent, omniscient Lord, cast out from us all the bashing and sinful desires and habits, and lead us by the path of righteousness to the attainment of all true knowledge and worldly riches. For this, we offer unto you profound obeisance and praise. This is the final call for you, my Libras, right? I hope this resonated with you. Please leave a comment into the comment section down below. And see you next week. Bye-bye.